What's going on, y'all? Robert Sykes, KetoSavage.com.
Crystal Sykes, LadySavage.com.
Anyways, we thought we'd do a little update video on our training splits because we've just recently modified that.
We've changed a whole bunch of things about it. We were doing an 8-day rotational split, which I love. I'm a huge advocate for. I kind of made it and I put it out into the world. I'm still going to use it on a regular basis. But with our current schedule, we're going to switch to a 5-day split. Mm-hmm. So we're going to have a Monday, Tuesday day. That's basically what we're going to do from the top. Monday is chest, International Chest Day. Tuesday is going to be arms, biceps and triceps. Wednesday is going to be an off day from resistance training. But Chip, who's behind the camera right now, is big into MMA, boxing, striking sports. So he is going to teach us how to be badass, basically, and fight and be all kinds of, isn't that right, Chip? Something like that? More or less. So yeah, that's going to be really good. I just got some gloves last night to get some wrist wraps, so we're going to start fighting on Wednesday. We're not going to start fighting. We're going to start with the basics here. Chip's behind the camera going, Robert just wants to attack someone.
Yeah, any of my employees come in pow, lights out. And then Thursday is going to be a back day. Friday is going to be shoulders, and Saturday is going to be legs, and Sunday is going to be an off day. But every single day I'm going to continue running, and we're going to continue being active. But those are the main lifting days. Mm-hmm. Crystal, what was the motivation for switching this up?
Really, we just decided that afternoon workout, so our crew works out in the afternoon. We like to be...
I didn't even say we're doing afternoon workouts.
Oh, we're doing afternoon workouts. So we actually changed. So normally we were getting here at 5:45. 5:45, we would work out, go home, shower. Robert would stay gross all day. I would go home, take a shower, come back, and then start our work day, which was really nice. It got our workout done first thing in the morning, and you already felt accomplished first thing in the morning. But we decided to switch it. Our crew works out in the afternoon. We kind of wanted to do kind of a collaborative workout time, get everyone in the vibes and feeling good. And I feel like you're smirking at me.
Dylan just walked by and smirked at me.
Oh, okay. So I don't know. We like the idea of kind of moving things into the afternoon, having a little bit more time in the morning to actually get more work done while we're not surrounded by a bunch of people and getting distracted with conversation, and we have a little bit more time to have a cup of coffee together in the morning. So
yeah,
we have that, and then
it's crunch time on my book right now. So
yes.
Rather than me waking up early, working on the book, getting really into it, and then having to leave to go work out, I'm able to just work without distraction in the morning, and then we're all able to work out together in the afternoons. Mm-hmm. The body is more limbered up by the afternoons anyways, so from a strictly physical standpoint, it's probably better to train in the afternoons. I prefer training in the mornings because there's just less distraction and there's no excuses that come when you get it knocked out first thing in the day. Mm-hmm. If you're one that constantly pushes it off and then makes an excuse and doesn't go to the gym, then you should probably train in the mornings. Yeah. But with us and our lifestyle right now, it's not like we're going to not work out. So it makes sense to just do in the afternoons. Plus, I want to work with our employees on proper form and technique. And I can do that better if I'm there training with them. Mm-hmm. So that'll be good.
Yeah, and then just kind of, we're not really lightening our load. We're just changing it up. Before we were doing 3 days of exercises, 1 day off, 3 days of exercise, 1 day off. And it ended up being an 8-day rotation. And now we're having 2 days where we exercise, then a day off, then 3 days, then a day off. Just works really well with our schedule, and sometimes you just got to be flexible like that. So we're taking Wednesdays and Sundays off, but we're still doing the MMA stuff on Wednesdays and whatever we want to do on Sundays, and even time to just relax together.
One more little caveat here. With the slight decrease in training frequency for a given muscle group, we're going to be sacrificing a little bit of training volume, mm-hmm. and we're going to compensate that by increasing the training intensity. So for instance, yesterday we did arms. Typically, we'll do 3 exercises for biceps, 3 exercises for triceps, and we'll target arms twice a week. Here lately, we've been doing
4, 5, 6 exercises for arms, but with a much greater intensity for those lifts than what we were doing previously. So our total volume has decreased a bit, but our intensity has increased significantly. So we're going heavier, we're doing more stuff, more advanced techniques like forced reps, going to failure more frequently, drop sets, supersets, giant sets, all things of that nature for a given muscle group. So I'm excited to ramp up the intensity a bit with our new training split.
Mm-hmm.
Boom, that's all we got.
Boom. That's it.